What's that, Daisy? Hmm? What's that? Hmm? Better put this on the floor before she mushes it. That pretty? Okay, no more. Not if you're gonna film me. You dyslexic a little or something? I mean, she's even purring. You purring? But I better put it on the floor before she tips it on the on the floor. You silly. Oh my. You're too pretty. Yep.